Hello everyone. Our new topic is the how to negotiate a car accident settlement. There is a seven common tips through which you guys negotiate a car accident with the company or the other party. The very first step, if you have been in a serious car accident caused by someone else, you should receive fair compensation for your injuries. Sadly, car accident victims with valid claims after face challenges from insurance companies who fight hard to pay them than they deserve. But with seasoned Washington car accidents lawyers representing them, victims have more than a fighting chance to recover the compensation they need to address their losses. At Lambecker Law, every personal injury lawyer on our team knows how to negotiate an auto accident settlement in Washington to get maximum compensation for our clients. The next main important step is the how to properly calculate compensation. Recovering compensation requires you sending a demand letter to the car insurance company handling your case. However, before you send the letter, you must first accurately determine the value of your claim, which will include calculations for the following damages. There are five steps: medical care related expenses and cost, the total wage or salary you have lost due to an inability to work, any permanent or long term disabilities brought on by the accident, pain, suffering, and other intangible damages. The cost to repair or replace your vehicle, the cost to repair or replace any other property that has been affected by the accident. Without a proper, full, and documented account of your damages or an attorney, you will not receive a fair settlement. Auto accidents can leave you with a lot on your plate unless you get representation from a car accident attorney adapted at negotiating a car accident settlement. You will likely receive far less compensation than you deserve. So how you negotiate a case's value with an insurance adjuster. Successfully negotiating auto accident settlements with an insurance company begins with the knowledge that insurance companies will always fight to pay less. Therefore, you should not be surprised when an insurance company responds to your demand letter with a much lower counter offer. For this reason, it is typically wise to demand about 20 to 25% more than what your car is worth. Additionally, to successfully negotiate with an insurance company, you should have a desired settlement amount in mind before starting negotiation, plus a minimum settlement figure that you will not go below. Without these predetermined figures, keeping your negotiations on track can be difficult. If the insurance company's first offer is inadequate, you should decline it and ask the claims adjuster to justify the proposed amount. Once they have explained their position, you can move on to a counteroffer. Next, you may need to provide some flexibility in light of this new information to ensure a better chance that they will accept your next offer. If the negotiation process ultimately does not yield a compensation figure that you feel you deserve, you can file a lawsuit against the insurance company. However, the overwhelming majority of car accident claims are settled during the negotiation process and do not require litigation and court. The next, how Washington state laws affect car accident. These are mostly related to the Washington city, where there are different laws for the car accident for insurance policies. So you can negotiate car accident settlements. The answer is yes. You absolutely can. However, you must understand the legal factors that affect the amount of compensation you get. As mentioned, the extent of that damages you suffer, such as medical bills and pain and suffering, plays a role in the total compensation you receive, but your degree of fault also determines how much you are ultimately paid. Okay, guys, this is how you negotiate your car accident payment from the other party and with the after that with the insurance company. Anyone has any query about this topic, you have to comment below.